Hi, this question appeared in JEE Advanced 2015 in its first paper, and it is an integer type question and it is from the topic trigonometry. So let us go ahead and solve this question. But before we do that, I would strongly recommend each one of you to pause this video at this moment and give this question a try. Alright, so we are given an equation 5 by 4 cos square 2x plus sine power 4x plus cos power 4x plus sine power 6x plus cos power 6x is equals to 2. We have to find the number of solutions of this equation in the interval 0, 2 pi. So these two expressions are a very famous expressions. You should know the formulas for this. So this is 1 minus 2 sine square x cos square x, and this is 1 minus 3 sine square x cos square x. So you can also solve them. So take sine power 4x cos power 4x. This can be written as sine square x whole square plus cos square x whole square, and this is in the form of a square plus b square. So that will be a plus b whole square minus 2ab. You just apply that formula and you'll get these results. Alright. So this is 2 plus 5 by 4 cos square 2x. So this can be written as, what is the formula for cos 2x? 2 cos square x minus 1 whole square. Cos 2x is 2 cos square x minus 1. Alright, now let us go ahead and simplify this. So 5 upon 4, this is 4 cos power 4x plus 1 minus 4 cos square x plus 1 minus 2. Sine square x can be written as 1 minus cos square x. And if we simplify that, we'll get sine square x can be written as 1 minus cos square x. So write that and simplify it. Then you'll get minus 2 cos square x plus 2 cos power 4x plus 1 minus, similarly here also substitute 1 minus cos square x for sine square x. 1 minus 3 cos square x plus 3 cos power 4x is equal to 2. This is what you get. Understood? Now just let us separate out the terms. Cos power 4x, the coefficient of cos power 4x will be this one. Here it is 5 and here it is 2 and here it is 3. So it will be 10 cos power 4x plus, so cos square x, and we have to find out this coefficient. So here the coefficient is minus 5, here it is minus 2, minus 7, minus 3, minus 10. So this is minus 10 cos square x plus the constant terms. First constant term is 5 by 4 plus 1 is equal to 2. So this 2, this one and this one, they'll be cancelled out. So let us say cos square x is equal to t. So now this is 10t square minus 10t plus 5 upon 4 is equal to 0. It is a simple quadratic equation. Alright. Now 5 is common from this. So it will be 2t square minus 2t plus 1 by 4 is equal to 0. 8t square minus 8t plus 1 is equal to 0. So let us find the value of t. T is minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So that will be 8 plus or minus root 64 minus 32 is 32. 32 is 4 root 2 upon 16. So that will be, we can cancel out 4. 2 plus or minus root 2 upon 4. So this is the value of t. So cos square x, t is cos square x, can be 2 plus root 2 upon 4, or cos square x can be 2 minus root 2 upon 4. So we have these two. So from this we can write cos x is equal to plus or minus root of 2 plus root 2 upon 4. And from this we can write cos x equal to plus or minus root of 2 minus root 2 upon 4. 2 plus root 2 upon 4 is less than 1. 2 minus root 2 upon 4 is also less than 1. So we have 4 values for cos x. And they are asking us to find the number of solutions in the interval 2 pi. So let us draw the graph of cos x in the interval 0 to 2 pi. Alright. So cos x looks something like this in the interval 0 to 2 pi. Alright. So now 2 plus root 2 by 4, root of 2 plus root 2 by 4 lies somewhere here. So 2 plus root 2 upon 4, it lies somewhere here. And minus root of 2 plus root 2 by 4 lies somewhere here. This is minus root of 2 plus root 2 by 4, and this is this quantity. And 2 minus root 2 by 4 lies somewhere here. This is root of 2 minus root 2 upon 4, and minus of that lies somewhere here, minus root of 2 minus root 2 upon 4. Alright. So if we see, this gives us 2 solutions. Similarly, this gives us 2 solutions. This also gives us 2 solutions. Similarly, this gives us 2 solutions. So total number of solutions in the interval 0 to 2 pi are 8, and this is your answer. So if you like the video, like it, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel for more such content, and if you have any queries, please write it up in the comments. Thank you.